Drivers on the Westbank, they were feeling it too, with some stuck in standstill traffic for hours. That is thanks to those flooded roads. Whitney Miller takes us there.
Keep water out of the houses, keep it slow. Thank you.
Bobby Black spent much of Monday afternoon directing traffic on Broadway in Gretna.
So this is my daughter's house on the corner, and the water was right up to her doorstep. And with cars passing by, they were causing a wake to come in, just like you see right here. They're coming through fast without even pushing water in the house.
While some drivers complied, others...
Some people look at you like you're crazy, but we have a police unit here. I'm glad Gretna Police came out here to help out, to make people slow down.
Residents tell me at the height of this storm, the water was rushing like a river down towards the drains, and even at one point reaching as high as the Y on this pillar here. They tell me this is the highest they've ever seen it.
This is not one of the areas that floods that often.
I haven't seen this bad since Katrina. Okay, Hurricane Katrina was here, and the water didn't never get this high. So This is the highest I've seen it in 20 years.
Flash flooding consumed this major parking lot, dumping 4 to 7 inches across the metro area. Nearly 10 inches of that rain was in Algiers. Our cameras caught sight of cars in canals in Terrytown.
A lot of water. Yeah. Water, yeah, I grew up in the neighborhood, and more water than we've had in a long time.
Gretna police erecting barricades in neighborhoods prone to standing water, but even after Monday's heavy downpour, these residents say they are not worried.
And once it starts going, it goes fast.
In Gretna, Whitney Miller, WWL, Louisiana.
And look, we're not joking when we say it's really been all over the place. Take a look at how deep the flooding was in Algiers this evening. This car is brave. The water covered up half of the truck as the driver tried to pass through the Westbank Expressway. Now, while this truck was barely able to make it through, it was definitely impassable for other smaller cars. So